masking indoors not an option right now in California. A new indoor mask mandate is in effect statewide through January 15th, and that's regardless of vaccination status. Madaris Babb joining us in studio now. And Madaris, despite low vaccination rates here in Fresno County, hospitalizations are down right now.
That's right. And in most Central Valley counties, they are seeing the lowest number of COVID hospitalizations since August. However, cases statewide are up, and officials hope that the mask mandate will reduce hospitalizations.
You know, this is the added protection just to keep the community safe and not to see our numbers continue to increase in terms of COVID incident.
Effective immediately, all Californians required to wear a mask indoors until the middle of January as COVID variants, including Omicron and Delta, spread.
There's been an increase or a spike in cases across the state.
According to the California Department of Health, since Thanksgiving, the weekly COVID case rate statewide has increased 47% and hospitalizations are up 14%. However, the trend is opposite in the valley. State data shows that COVID-related hospitalizations since November 5th have dropped 41% in Fresno County, 57% in Tulare County, and 36% in Madera County. Just a few weeks ago, Cahuilla Health had the highest number of COVID-positive patients out of all hospitals in the state. But those numbers have dramatically decreased, which Chief Executive Officer Gary Herbst credits to vaccines, natural immunity from recovering from the virus, and unfortunately, death.
You know, why are our COVID numbers declining? Sadly, is we've seen a lot of death. We had 17 COVID deaths just in a single week, just a couple weeks ago.
Now, officials say that new COVID cases have slightly increased in the Central Valley recently, and with the holiday gatherings and only about half of Valley residents vaccinated, local officials do expect those hospitalizations to increase in the next month. Reporting live in studio, Madaris Babb, KC24, local news that matters.